Hello everyone, my name is Borormey. I'm from Batch 8 Software Engineering and I graduated in 2023. I will be working as a software architect in a company that is specialized in buy now, pay later services. In 2023, my company came to KT to showcase their business to KT students. And I saw it as an opportunity to learn from them, so I asked to learn from them. After a few interviews, I landed the job. How do I feel working in Japan? I think the feelings that I feel the most probably excitement, because I have always been wanting to go to Japan since I was a kid, and now I get the opportunity. The best thing about KT is their internship programs. It prepares students since year one to equip with valuable skill sets to get opportunities. And one more thing about KT is they actually provides opportunity as well. And I think these two are probably the best thing that make KT stand out among other universities in Cambodia. My advice to our junior students is to be ready for opportunities. They have to prepare themselves with valuable skill sets such as technical skills, and the most important one is soft skill, communication skill, problem-solving skills. So they have to make sure that they are ready, so when the opportunity comes, they are able to get it.